Hey guys, so I'm back with another mukbang. It is Taco Tuesday, Nacho Tuesday, whatever you want to call it. Well, it's Tuesday for me today. I'm probably going to post this tomorrow, which is going to be Wednesday. Not probably, it's definitely going to be posted tomorrow, which should be Wednesday for you guys. But I made nachos and I have some tacos. I have just like two types of different chips. Doritos and then like regular salt chips. I don't know. And then I have taco meat. I have some rotel, like nacho cheese rotel meat, sour cream. I normally don't use this. I can't even think of the name. That's how much I don't even really use it. The red sauce, what is it? Salsa. And then I have some lettuce shred, and then I think it says sour cream already, and then I put some sriracha on top, and then pretty much did almost the same thing for the tacos. So let's just dig in because I'm ready to eat. Yeah, I'm hungry. Yum. Make sure I have my napkins. I'm gonna have Pepsi. Yum. Yum. You guys can probably hear my daughter's soundscapes in the background. I'm sorry. But she needs to go to sleep. So, I'm sorry. I hope it's not too loud. All right. And try regular taco, soft shell. Yum. I haven't had nachos in a long time, I feel like. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Yummy. Anyone else obsessed with sour cream like I am? Anyone? Anyone? I love sour cream. Sometimes I will make things, like make meals just to put sour cream on like that. I'll have sour cream in mind and I'll be like, I can make this and sour cream can go on that, you know? It's yummy. I'm sorry guys, I know you guys can probably hear my soundscapes. It's really good. My brother is being so loud. He's being so loud. Eat it all. Yum. When you burp, it leaves like room for more food. Jeremy, you're so loud, bruh. His video games. I'm sorry guys, like this video is probably much louder. Like the background is much louder than normal. I apologize. Not my intentions. I'll be moving soon, which some of you guys know that, those who like consistently watch my videos, but I'll be moving into my house. My little brother will be going off to school. Yeah. Oh, okay. He'll be going off to school. So mukbangs will be a lot quieter. I'm just waiting for the finishing touches on the house. I can't wait. I'm so excited. There's so much more space upstairs, downstairs. So I'm excited. I can't wait. And then, yeah. Okay, hold on. It's gonna be a new setup. I have like this, the kitchen is so gorgeous. Ooh, excuse me. Kitchen is such a great setup. It's going to be such a great setup for my mukbangs. Such a big island, and you guys will see. You'll see. You're gonna love it. If you don't, please tell me. But I think you're gonna love it. I know you guys are gonna love it. Just kidding. Anyways, I'm gonna continue eating these off camera. I told you guys, I'm so sorry. And no one's really like commented except Jaleel about it, but I'm trying to minimize the length of my videos. But I'm gonna finish this off camera. I appreciate you guys for watching, commenting, hitting the notification bell, subscribing. Please continue doing what you're doing. If you are not a follower of Ready to Eat Rachel, please follow now, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then also share my videos. If you know people who are a part of the mukbang community that you feel would vibe well with me, vibe well with us, and want to be a part of the Ready to Eat Rachel family, then please share the video with them and tell them to tag along, because the more the merrier, you know? But anyways, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. I really do. Like, even with me not being or not having that many subscribers, I love like each and every one of you guys, especially when you guys comment. So continue to do what you do. But thank you for watching, and I'm gonna continue to eat this. And until next time, as always,